how to change name in Google Meet. So if you want to change your name in Google Meet, then you can't do that on your Google Meet application. So instead of that, what you need to do is simply open up your Google application, or you can also go for your Gmail. So once you've opened your Gmail or your Google, you need to go for the account or select the account in which you are logged in on your Google Meet. So here I'll be choosing the account. Once you've chosen the account, go for the upper right, which has that profile icon. Tap on manage your Google account, and once you tap on that, here you will have your personal information. Tap on personal information, go for the name, and under your name here you will have your name option, right? So if you want to change your name on your Google Meet, then you need to change your name on your Google account or your Gmail account. So simply go for the pencil shaped icon or the edit icon, which is on the right side, and you need to change your name. So remove your name and then add a new name. And once you've added a new name, you need to simply go for save, which is on the bottom right, and once you tap on save, your name will be saved. So that's how you can change your name on your Google Meet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.